As far as a plumber is concerned, I don't want to see drain cleaners in the pipe. So one, it's not safe for you. If it splashes, it can cause skin irritants if it's not taken care of real quick. But one of the most dangerous things is your eyes. It actually will take the finish off your eyes real quick. So it's kind of a dangerous chemical to be messing with and have in your house. So if you are going to have it, keep it out of the house, keep it away from the kids or anybody that's going to spill it or anything like that. Secondly, if you're in an older home, this stuff could potentially corrode the pipe and actually eat through it, causing holes in the pipe underneath the house or in the house and cause damage to the house or spill sewage into the crawl space or wherever you may be. If you're in an upstairs, I've actually seen where people have poured it in an upstairs fixture and it actually melted through the pipe and then started burning through the sheetrock. So the stuff is to be taken seriously. It's definitely one of those tools that people think a plumber may have, but typically we don't. Most plumbers are going to mechanically remove the blockages from your drains. They're going to mechanically remove the hair by way of cabling the drain or just hydrojetting the drain using high pressure water. One of the best things that the homeowner can do is pay attention to the hair. You've got to watch the hair in the drains, not only in the shower and the bathtub, but in the sinks. If you just go in and pull those out, then there's nothing, or there's less for the soap and buildup to actually stick to. So keeping your drain clean of the hair is pretty important.